Alright, opening up a Willys MB light switch circuit breaker. It's wrapped in how many layers of paper and tape, and now, is that a wax cloth?
Looks like it.
Yeah. Remember kids, point the knife directly at your fingers. There we go. Okay, we got the wax off. Now it's just a cardboard box.
Here we go, 80 years old. Whoa.
Not alright. So I guess this is the definition of new old stock right there. Paper still looks pretty new.
Dang.
Yeah, look at that. That's actually pretty clean. Alrighty. Cool deal, Kaiser Willys. Let's see what that says there. Clicks on patents. Made in the USA. Alright, here. I'll give them a shout out. These guys, right here.